For making this desoldering station, we need a piece of tile and a heater. Very important. It's a 12-volt, 40-watt heater used in 3D printers. Now we need a heat sink, a flat surface heat sink. So we can fit our heater on this heat sink. Now we need to mark our cuttings on this piece of tile. For this, I'm using a scale and a marker to mark the desired size of the tiles to be chopped off. Here I am cutting my tile in two halves. So I will put one piece in the bottom and one on the top. Now we need to make a hole for the heat sink on the tile. Now I will mark the size of the heat sink on the tile. And now we need to cut this rectangle part of the tile and this tile in two halves. In the first, I will groove some space for the heater. So I have already prepared the two pieces. Now we just need to fit our heater and heatsink on the tile. We will place a heater on the bottom tile and second tile we will put on the top of the heater. In the groove we wait for the heatsink, we will place our heatsink on the top of the heater. Now, our basic desoldering station is ready. We can put some M-seal or any glue to stick them together, but I'm not going to do it for now. These are the probes, and this is my homemade bench power supply. I will provide the power for the heater with this supply. We will place a positive end and negative end to the heater at the 12 volts of supply. Here you can see I'm setting the supply to 12 volts and the current is 0. But when I place my heater in the supply, it goes up to 2.97 amps of current. It means this is consuming approximately about of 36 volts of power. Now we have to wait for around 30 to 30 seconds to 1 minute for the heater to be heat, and then we will place our PCB on the top of this heating plate. It just takes around 5 seconds to heat up the components and remove them. Now you can see I'm very easily removing all of the components from this piece of bulb. This is a PCB of LED bulb. So you can remove all the bulbs from the PCB and you can use it for the solder as well. In making of this soldering station, make sure you are using some insulating material on the place of tiles if you are not going to use tiles because it gets pretty hot and it can burn your surface. So make sure to use some other materials, but it should be a insulating material. So we are complete with our process. Thanks for watching.